Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on Mastering Linear Regression is our today's topic. So my name is Janvi Vanjari and I am thrilled to guide you through this essential statistical technique that holds the power of unlock insights across the various fields. So let's dive right in by explaining a simple linear regression line which will serve as our foundations for today's discussion. This is introduction to the linear regression. First of all, let's define what linear regression is. So linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between the dependent variables and one or more independent variables. For an example, when predicting house price based on features like square footage, linear regression helps us determine how these factors correlated. This method is not limited to the real estate. Its application span finance, healthcare and marketing. To get us started, can anyone share a scenario where you believe linear regressions could be a beneficial? So this is completely all about introduction to the linear regression. Mathematical foundation. Now let's delve into the mathematical behind linear regression. The basic equation for a simple linear regression is like that. As you can see here, equation like y is equals to mx plus c. So basically, y is nothing but it represents our predicted values, x is our independent variable, m is nothing but that is the slope of the line and c is the y-intercept. When we move to the multiple linear regression, we expand this equation to incorporate the several prediction. So understanding this equation is very crucial for effective implementation. Why do you think this mathematical foundation is important in the application of linear regression? So comment in the section. Okay, so this is completely all about the mathematical foundation. The key assumption of linear regression. Before applying linear regression, certain assumptions must be met. First one is linearity. The relationship between the independent and dependent variables should be a linear. Second one is independence of error. Observation should be independent of each other. Third one is homoscedasticity. The residual should have a constant variance. And the last and the fourth one is normality of errors. The residual should be normally distributed. Meeting this assumption is essential for ensuring the reliability of our model. And this is completely all about key assumption. Here the type of linear regression. There are two main type of linear regression. First one is a simple and another one is a multiple linear regression. So simple linear regression uses one independent variable, for instance predicting salary based on year experience, and another one is multiple linear regression which includes several independent variables such as predicting house prices based on area, number of rooms and location. Why might it be advantageous of use multiple predictors in a real world scenario? Please comment in the section. Here is evaluation matrix for linear regression. Evaluating performance or linear regression model is very crucial. So there is some matrix here. First one is R square, which indicate how much variance in the dependent variables is explained by the independent variables. If it is close to the 1, that means it's a better. Second one is mean squared error. Measure the average of the square of the error. Second one is root mean squared error. It indicates provide an interpretation of the error in the same unit as the dependent variable. Can you think how do you usually assess the effectiveness of your models? Please comment in the section. Real world application. So this is and advantages. Let's look at some real world application of linear regression. As you can see here, first of all, in the finance, it can be used to predict stock prices based on market trends. In marketing, it forecasts sales from advertising spend. In healthcare, it predicts patient outcomes based on clinical data. And the advantages of linear regression include the simplicity, interpretability and suitability for the linear relationship. So, can you think of any other field where linear regression might be particularly useful? So comment in the section. So here the conclusion. In conclusion, linear regression is a foundational tool for making prediction and understanding relationship within a data. Its powerful lies in the correct application and the right assumption. So thank you for all your attention and please subscribe and like the channel.